I can't speak fluently. Means I'm good at English. I can read, I can write, I can do anything. But the thing is, when I come on this stage, so I have a little bit English fear. So I have to remove all the English fear. So for that reasons, I have come here. So what ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ? Because ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ఎందుకంటే where is the example? Because he did not get good job. He did not get good job because he is very poor in English. ఎందుకంటే he did not get good job because he is very poor in English. Before then mundu munche. For example, just like you can use it in proportions also. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ you can say that you think before think. Think means writing. ನೀವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಮಾಡಿ you think before ink, after ink, don't think. What is the meaning of this word? Before that. Right. You should prepare well before you speak on the stage. So without preparation, if you speak, what happened? Without preparation, if you speak on the stage, what happened? You feel a little bit nervous and also a little bit hesitate. So that's for the reason you should prepare well before you speak on the stage. This is very important word. So regularly we are using this word. Okay. Next word to take down, except. Sir, normally you say that I am good in all subjects except mathematics. Most of the students they face this problem. Sir, I am good in all subjects except mathematics. Now mathematics on the biಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ subjects ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ can move from so except ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ಹೊರತುಪಡಿಸಿ ಅದೊಂದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. Next. I am doing all subjects except mathematics. Except mathematics. This is a lively conversational words. Every day you have to try to speak. Right? Okay, next E letter we have to move on. Even though I already told you that even though, although, though these words are having a similar meanings. Even though. Even though these words. Agaru. Okay. Even though he has studied well, or you can say even though he studied well, even though he studied well, even though he studied well, he did not pass. Even though he studied well, he did not pass all subjects. Even though he studied well, he did not pass all subjects. అయినప్పటికీ ಐದರ್ ಆರ್ ಇದು ಅಥವಾ ಅದು ಐದರ್ ಆರ್ ಇದು ಅಥವಾ ಅದು example you can speak either English or Hindi. In which language I have to give presentation surveys? You can speak either English or Hindi. Sir, how can I pay the cash?
Cash or check?
Okay. How can I pay the amount?
Either cash or check.
Yes, very good. You can pay either cash or check. So you can use it that word. Either or. Idu athwa adu. Next letter. For. For. So why you learn English? I improve my English for better future. I improve my English for better future. I improve my English for better future. For andre goskara anta barte. So it is the one meaning. The second one this word we use for to show the period of time. ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ ಕಾಯುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. I have been waiting here for 2 hours. ಫಾರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ಗೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ತುಂಬ 2 ದಿನಗಳಿಂದ I have been waiting here for 2 days.